It's recording. It's recording. It's recording. It's recording. W's in the chat. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Let's get into the live stream. Okay, alright. So, let's get it. I'm trying to record too. Yep, nah. Welcome back to the live stream. Welcome back to the Reppin' the Green show on YouTube. Welcome back to the Twitch stream Reppin' the Greens a ton. Alright. Y'all will see it in the title of this video. A brief history of Maurice Bishop. Alright. So I'm going to give y'all a little briefing of Maurice Bishop, and we're going to continue in the stream making some bracelets inspired by Mr. Maurice Bishop. Alright. So yeah, let's go. Brief history of Maurice Bishop. Maurice Bishop. Hold on. Alright. Maurice Bishop. Maurice Rupert Bishop. That's his full name. Maurice Rupert Bishop. Right? 1944 to 1983. Right? 2 more years before I was born. Right? Was a revolutionary leader and politician who played a pivotal role in Grenada's modern history. Born in Aruba to Grenadian parents, Bishop returned to Grenada at a young age and later pursued studies in law at the University of London. Interesting. His charisma, intelligence, passion for social justice made him a natural leader. In 1973, Bishop co-founded the New Jewel Movement, NJM, a political party committed to addressing economic inequality, in providing education, and achieving independence from colonial influences. On March 13th, Maurice Bishop led the NGM in a bloodless coup, overthrowing Prime Minister Eric Machugiri. This marked the start of Grenada Revolution, a period of social inspired reform aimed at uplifting the lives of ordinary Grenadians. As Prime Minister, Bishop introduced initiatives that transformed Grenada, including free health care, educational programs, and infrastructure projects such as the construction of an international airport, which Cubans assistance, which became a symbol of Grenadians' ambition and potential. Bishop's government aligned with social nations like Cuba and the sovereign nation and the Soviet Union, Sorry, let me read that part again. Bishop's government aligned with socialist nations like Cuba and the Soviet Union, leading to tensions with the United States during the Cold War. Internal divisions within his party culminated in a tragic power struggle in October 1983. Bishop was arrested by rival factions but was freed by a massive public uprising. Tragically, he and several supporters were executed on October 19th, 1983 during a coup led by members of his government. The US military intervened shortly after in what was known as Operation Urgent Fury. Marking the end of the revolution. Despite his untimely death, Maurice Bishop remains a symbol of hope, progress, and resilience for many Grenadians. His legacy is celebrated for the social reforms he campaigned and his vision of a more equitable and self-resilient Grenada. The international airport, once a cornerstone of his policies, is now named the Maurice Bishop International Airport. A lasting tribute impact on Grenadian history. You dig? That is it. What do you think about Maurice Bishop? Put your comments in the chat. Let me know what you think about Maurice Bishop. Right now I'm going to see if I could put on the shirt, make myself feel like Maurice Bishop. We'll see. I can't iron it because the iron won't work right now. I guess I had to put on a ramper shirt. One side will be iron, the other side won't. I'm just like Maurice Bishop right now. To represent him, continue making some craft. We continue making some craft right quick. We'll be just as Maurice Bishop. Well, this is my version. This is my version, chat. What do you think? Any Cubans in the chat? So, we gotta see if we get a picture that we could be inspired. This dress code. Let's see if we go and go by and see if we could get a dress code to be inspired by. Finally. Finally, finally. We outside. Come and we mash up the whole place. Come and we mash up the whole place. Alrighty then. Bishop. Let's go. You know one wearing a shades? I'd like to see one wearing a shades. This one don't look too bad. What is he wearing here, Chad? A simple shirt with a collar. You know what I'm saying? Simple man, simple guy. Let me see if I see anything else. This one kind of look interesting. It seems like a long sleeve shirt. No, it's not. It's not a long sleeve shirt. I guess he wasn't a long sleeve kind of guy. So what I'll do is I'll roll up my sleeve. I'll roll up my sleeve, Chad. This is interesting too, but it's brown. Brown have a little open up. You know what I'm saying? Should I put it in my pants? No. I shouldn't put it in my pants because he doesn't wear his shirt in his pants. Look at this. That's one already. I'm gonna look for more. What about here? Is he wearing any? No, it's not. Look. It's not. It's not. It's not. This is an interesting piece here too. Interesting. Maurice Bishop, a Caribbean hero. Interesting. Maurice Bishop is a Caribbean hero. See, most respected heroes have influenced more than their country. That's what I noticed. Y'all notice that too? Most reputable heroes respected throughout a wider region. There's a wide respect, a big wide respect. So I'm rolling up the sleeve. Because we're in the tropics, you know, in the Caribbean island, I don't know, yo, bro, what you think you would have say about wearing long sleeve? You would have like, in the Caribbean, in the hot sun? Nah. This wouldn't be a fashion if that man was still alive. This wouldn't be a fashion at all. Otherwise, everybody will be rolling up the sleeve. You see, look at him, I don't have to wear no tie, because that would have been worse, right? Look, this man not even wearing a tie. Not one tie. This man wearing a business suit and not one tie in the neck. Look at this. Show me one picture where he wearing a tie. Show me one picture where this man is wearing a tie. If y'all find it, send it to me on Instagram. Email it to me. Find me on Facebook, anywhere you can find me. Find me a picture where he's wearing a tie, a necktie, and send it to me. So, that is it. I think we found our look. We are now inspired. We have all the information about Maurice Bishop, and now we're ready to create some handmade jewelries. Y'all ready? Alright, let's go. Give thanks. Give thanks for not being a tie, brother. Give thanks for setting the trend. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. That's crazy. Oh, yes. What do you think about the outfit, chat? Read my inspiration outfit, my inspired outfit from 1 to 10. And is he wearing shades too? Does he wear shades? Or glasses? Yo, this one don't wear shades or glasses. Show me one picture where you're wearing a shades or glasses. And I'll continue wearing my shades. But if not, I'm taking it off. I'm taking off my shades, chat. I gotta go 100. I gotta do this 100. I gotta take the shades off. Yo, somebody comment and say, take the shades off. And the shades is off. Let's go! Yes, sir. Haha. Yes, sir. Read my outfit, chat. Read my outfit. 1 to 10. Come on. Go one side can I run, one side can I not run, but hey. Look the logo poking is and thing. You know what I'm saying? W's in the chat. Let's continue making some craft. And let's go reacting to some more content. Let's